Congratulations, Cardano holder. Today I have a good news because my brother, the Cardano price will pumps up. The volume is increased, so definitely, if a volume is increased, so the prices will also increase. And definitely, I have a lot of good news, is my friend, for all of you, especially from CEO. Also, my friend, something very special message. So, my brother. And this time, as you can see here, the Cardano price 2.22 USD dollar. This time the price will be, I think, increased, my friends, from from 2.12 USD dollar to 2.22 USD dollar, just in only in last 24 hours, because they will get a 5% profit, as you can see here. So definitely, as you can see here, in last one day, my brother, absolutely, in last 24 hours this coin will pump up. So definitely the price will increase and the price will hit now 2.2 USD dollar. And I hope if they will hit again 5% more, my brother, so easily they will hit now for 2.5 USD dollar. My brother, let's predicate this coin, but kindly holder, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel. My brother, as you can see here, this time the 4.98% the price is increased now in last 24 hours, and the price will pump up from 2.29 USD dollar, my friends. So definitely this time you can see here the lowest price is 2.11 USD dollar. That's clear, my friend. As you can see here too, the price is very low, especially in last 24 and yesterday, my friend. But tomorrow, but today, my friend, you can see here the price is increased. So if we check out, my friend, the chart result, and the 1st October, my friend, you can see the price will very badly fails down, but and the 2nd October the price will starting moving upwards. So definitely it's a good news, my friend, for all of you, because my brother, after a very long time the price will pumps up. And this time, as you can see, my friend, especially our coin will moving in this circulation to after a jump, absolutely they were fails down, but not like that. Cardano were very badly fails down at the end of September, but today, my friend, and this is the start of month, so absolutely all coin were fails down, but Cardano will pumps up. So that's a really great news for all of you. And my friend, the CEO of Cardano will say, my friends, to upcoming time we are going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So definitely, if they will collaborate, so people are starting investing more and more, and if holders are starting holding, so definitely the price will pumps up, the price is increased. So that's mean, my friends, to upcoming time everything is going good, the price will pumps up, so kindly you will need to hold. I hope, my friend, in the second week, my friend, of this month, definitely they will completely get a profit. So let's see a whole lot to what's going on. But please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.